Hey traders, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏's Weekly Forex Forecast. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY. We will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏's channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, market is moving nicely. We've got more waves, we've got more structures, and now the next wave is almost ready to unfold. But before we go for the next wave, do not forget this downtrend. Remember guys, in this forecast, I'll explain more about structures and I'll give you exclusive tips which will help you with your trading. All you have to do is to keep watching till the end because we have a lot to cover. So, starting from here, remember, this was a slow downtrend. And like I explained before, every time you see market moving down slowly, breaking previous lows, without momentum, this is a bullish sign. And this was the move, guys, that we were focusing on. We've got this up wave, and last week we said, guys, it's time to take profits or manage your trades. Market went up, it gave us a small corrective structure, one push up, and then this fall. Now, what market is giving us is very interesting. This called double top formation. Now, usually I don't go into too much details here, but because most of you are liking and commenting, this time I'll give you even more. So, this is a double top formation. What is this one? This is a common chart pattern, which means a lot of retail traders, they go for this sell and they think that market will be falling all the way to break this low or even lower. Every time you see market giving you double top formation, keep in mind above these highs you have liquidity. I'm not criticizing guys anyone here, I'm just explaining you how market usually behaves. Double top formation or double bottom formation works 20 to 30% of the times only. So, coming back to the explanation here. After this double top formation, we can see market makers are building liquidity above these two tops. So what is this one? This is just some sort of liquidity grab, some sort of corrective structure before the next upwave. Alan, do you have any example for that? Sure. Look at this. Can you see the double top formation here? This is exactly the same in this one. But remember one thing. Not every time you have double top formation, market will break this high and then reverse. And this time, we might have something else. And the pattern, the structure that DXY might be making here is very interesting and you should be able to take advantage of it. Also keep in mind, here we are on the last wave of the last wave. What I mean by that, every new high will be the potential last high. And do not think that after this upwave, market has to reverse. We might make new highs before the reversal. Alright guys, this is regarding the bias. We have seen guys this upwave way before. That's why we are doing weekly Forex Forecast. And your ability to get this upwave or predict this upwave is your first step to succeed in trading. And what can give you this high probability chance move is wave analysis. You have to master wave analysis. Alright guys, so for DXY, our bias is toward the upside. Now that doesn't mean on Monday you go and you buy DXY blindly. Never ever do that. Before this up move, you have to wait for market to give you a corrective structure before you go for the next buy setup. Why is that? This corrective wave, it can extend, which means it can make one more drop before the next up move. In all the cases, we are still biased to the upside. In terms of structures, everything remains the same. Now, will the market make this drop? What is the bigger picture? What is the pattern, the ending structure pattern here? Why are we saying this is the last wave of the last wave? All of this will be covered in details during our Sunday live session. And guys, I don't want you to miss our live sessions anymore. Take them as an opportunity, take advantage of them, Because I'm telling you, if you are not joining our live sessions, you are missing a lot. I'll show you some proofs once we go to other pairs. Euro-dollar, I think most of you guys remember this drop, this trade, and this forecast. All of you who are new to 𝗬𝗗𝗏𝗍𝗆's channel, I suggest you guys to watch our previous 2 to 3 forecasts. I'll put a link for you in the description under this video. So, coming back to Euro-dollar, all our followers, subscribers, and traders, they know this down wave and they remember this forecast. Not only that, during our Wednesday live session, we said market will push up and then it will come back down. Nothing will change in terms of structure or in terms of euro weakness, and we are expecting euro guys to get more weaker. We might get another corrective structure for another fall. So do not expect, because euro is at parity, I should buy. Most of retail traders think like that. But remember, we trade waves. And what waves and structures are telling us is different. Market structure, fundamental analysis. This is what we do also on every Sunday live session. We go to the calendar and we analyze and assess the next week fundamental events. So, fundamental analysis, technical and wave analysis showing us that euro-dollar will drop more. Again, the trade was from here. So your ability guys to see this wave and trade this down wave is what will put you on the right path to succeed in trading. First of all, your ability to see the next wave. Coming back to here, for euro-dollar, after this drop, looks like market is correcting for another fall. And remember this tip, you have to see the liquidity in order to not be the liquidity. Guys, market makers framework, the algos. Those of you who don't know what are algos are softwares or computer systems built to move the market and grab liquidity. So most of the times, market move from a liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. So again, you have to see the liquidity in order to not be the liquidity. It's a very big topic guys, but just to give you a small and simple exercise, just think where most of retail traders might be putting their stop loss. That's where the liquidity is. So coming back to euro-dollar, for this one, we are expecting market to fall more. But do not go on Monday and jump into the sell. Wait for market to give you a corrective structure upwards before you look for your sell setups. And regarding our trades of the week, Sunday session, and what opportunities we usually give, let me show you this. This is the Premium Analysis Service dashboard. You will get access to this as soon as you subscribe to the service. But look at the trades of the week section. These setups guys, along with the levels, let me repeat that, these setups, along with the levels, we posted them here 2 weeks ago. A lot of trades guys, and all of them went in the direction, and most of them have hit the target already. And all of you can see where the market is at the moment. Not only this, last Sunday we have reminded our members regarding the targets. Let me show you this.
Right, that was pretty much all your requests for the trade of this week, and potentially by the end of this, until the end of this month. I ask you that if you can keep the trades like euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and gold to the downside, choose one. Use the smallest lot size you can. And let me just write these levels down again once more. Euro dollar 1.005, pound dollar 1.185, Aussie dollar 68 minimum, New Zealand dollar 62 to 61.5 minimum, and gold 1745 to 1750 minimum. If you target these levels by the end of this month with the smallest lot size and with a sensible mindset, instead of actually being greedy, trust me, you'll make money. Okay. And the second one, a slightly risky pound CAD. We are still holding on to this one until market taps 154 level. If you are in the sell, hold on to that. If you want to take any trade, probably take 10 to 12, 20, 10 to 20% off wait for the pullback. One more drop is coming towards 154. Then we'll close this trade, okay, in profit. At the moment, it's at break even. Now, the riskier one, a slightly more riskier one, is going to be Aussie CAD. Again, it's a very risky one, but still 1% risk. It's worth the risk, because if it drops, it will be dropping 200 pips against the 50 pips stop loss. 915, just 10 pips, 15 pips above that, put the stop loss in, and do not just trade it if market continuously going to the upside here, okay? You need to wait for the Sunday before you enter, okay? If market is actually very bullish on Sunday tonight and keeps on moving, do not enter into the trade. You need to wait for the market to settle down. Wait for the settling down of the Asian market, and then after that, enter onto this one, putting the stop loss just above this one, aiming for 89 level, okay? That's 3 to 4%, reward against 1% risk. This has to be 1% risk, okay?
Amazing, isn't it? So like I said, most of our premium analysis service members must have made money. If you would like to join us, all the details are in the description under this video or in the first comment. Pound dollar, this was the move and this was the fall. Last week we said, guys, you take profits or you manage your trades. You can take profits, nothing wrong with that. And regarding psychology, I don't want you to feel sad if you took profits here and market continued the down move. Your job is not to pick the top or the bottom. Your job is to make consistent profits. Most of retail traders fail because they try to pick bottom or the top. This will not work. Your focus should be on making profits and being selective. This is how you will make money. Being selective. Not only this, in terms of psychology, after big win, streak of wins, big loss, or streak of losses, you have to take a break. Actually, no one explains you that, especially your broker, because they want you to keep trading. They force you to trade, because the more you trade, the more they make money. Let me repeat that. The more you trade, the more they make money. For you to make money, you have to trade less and be selective. Is that clear? And that's why in terms of psychology, after big win, streak of wins, big loss, or streak of losses, you have to take a break. Your mind, or if I need to be more specific here, your decision-making process will not work properly after these 4 situations. I'm repeating, no one explained you that. This is only at We Trade Waves, because we care about you guys. We want you to make money and we want you to succeed. If you listen carefully for every single tip that we give in our Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday sessions, you will become a better trader. Coming back to pound dollar. After this fall, all of you know that we're forecasting market to drop. After this fall, we've got a corrective structure, and then this is dropping more. What next? Corrective structure, another fall. We can see pound dollar falling more than that. And for our premium analysis service members, you know how we covered this one on Wednesday. Aussie dollar, this was one of our trades of the month for August. We've got this drop, this was just a corrective structure, and this another fall coming here. After this drop, we will update you. For now, all of you who took the sell or still in the sell, you manage your trades. If you get a corrective structure upwards, another sell is very possible here. This was amazing trade, amazing move, and we really hope all of you trade Aussie dollar, get in the sell, and made money trading this down wave. Guys, if you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. This will motivate us and will help YouTube algo to show our forecasts to more traders. They might need help. This is the exact way, guys, you found us. Someone else before you was liking and commenting. So we really appreciate if you can do the same. Dorian, for this one, it's a bit different. We were expecting market to fall, we've got this drop. After that, we've got a corrective structure, and then from here we said, guys, you can sell this one. We are looking for sell setups. We've got this drop. After this drop, market went up again. So if you took this sell, this must have been a break-even trade. If not, the worst case scenario, it should be small loss only. And remember this, after you get in the trade, you should only have 4 outcomes: small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Big loss situation shouldn't be one of the outcomes. How to achieve that? You always risk small, use stop loss, do not jump in, and never ever add to losing position. Guys, if you only focus on WeTradeWave's 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your trading account. I am telling you that. Only these 4 golden rules. Coming back to dollar yen, what next for this one? The structure still showing us this drop. So in terms of structure and waves, this drop is still possible, and it's very possible actually. After this drop, we will update you if this will fall more or this will be pushing up again. For now, we will focus on this drop. Where will be the invalidation? If market will break this high and consolidate. If we get something like that, market will be pushing higher. For now, we are still focusing on this drop. And remember, this is one variation. New Zealand dollar, this is also great. We've got this drop, this was a great move and an amazing trade. After that, market just gave us a small corrective structure, we've got this drop again. What next? We think that market will fall more. No new trades from these levels. The trades were from here and from here. From this level, no new trades. All of you are still in, you just have to manage your trades. Which means you take profits or you take partial profits and you leave the rest at break even. Alright guys, for New Zealand dollar, we can see market falling more. Pound yen, I don't know guys how many of you remember the explanation regarding this one. After this sharp up, sharp down, we said market will be pushing up, it will give us a corrective structure, one will push up, and then another drop. This is exactly what market did. We will be able guys to see not only one wave, 3 to 4 waves sometimes in advance. And this will only be achievable by mastering wave analysis, nothing else. You have to learn wave analysis correctly. I'm repeating that, wave analysis correctly. It's not Elliott waves, our wave analysis system is different and is unique. So, coming back to pound yen, this is the structure that we can see at the moment. So after this corrective wave, potential drop is coming. And let me remind you, some of our traders took this sell, took this buy, and took this sell from here as well. And that's the power of knowledge. Anyway, what next for pound yen? After this corrective structure, we are biased to the downside. How far this can go? Is this one of our trades of the week? We will let you know this Sunday. And I'm repeating, if you are not joining our live Sunday and Wednesday sessions, you are missing a lot. Don't take my words for it, go to our Trustpilot profile and read the feedbacks. Yes, oil, for this one, market is dropping but without momentum. Even though, if we get a corrective structure here, another drop will be coming. The structure is a mess at the moment, and it's exactly in the middle. And remember, a lot of fundamentals here have a role in the next move. So if we get a corrective wave, another drop will be coming. I know some of you took this buy, you move your stops, and you manage your trades. Those of you who are not in, wait for market to give you a corrective structure upwards before you look for your sell setups. If the market will drop, we might break this low once more. For now, I'm repeating, it's a mass and the structure is exactly in the middle. We have a pattern in play and bigger structure in the making, but we are still waiting for more waves here. Gold, this was crazy. I just need guys to repeat that because we have new viewers every single week. So for gold, we were expecting market to drop, where everybody were expecting gold to shoot up because of Taiwan and China situation, the war in Europe, the gas problem, inflation in US. Everybody was expecting gold to shoot up. We said, guys, do not miss this down wave. And market gave us a crazy setup at the top. Most of our traders who trade gold got in the sell, and they made a lot of money trading this down wave. We were 90% sure that market will drop. I'm not pushing you guys to join us, I'm just being proud about our members. They are doing an amazing job, daily trading room sessions, they are posting charts on a daily basis, and they are making progress. We are really proud of you guys, and this is our happiness. Anyway, for gold, after this drop, on Wednesday, we said guys, keep an eye on these levels. After this corrective structure, market went down. What next? Correction, another drop. After this drop, we will update you. For now, a corrective structure upwards for another drop. All of you who remember this forecast, or who took this sell, or even this one, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Even if you have any question guys, put it in the comment section. I am personally reading every single comment and I will also reply. For gold, we are still biased to the downside. And remember one thing, next week is the last week of the month, so you have to be very careful whilst trading. This Sunday, we will give you levels to watch and targets for the next trades. DORCAD, I think most of you guys know and see this pattern, right? This is the exact same pattern as the XY. After you broke this low, market went all the way up. After this up wave, market gave us a corrective structure and it went back up. What next? More up here, corrective structure, another push up. We can see dollar CAD pushing higher. So it's up to you if you want to trade this up wave or you are still in this buy and managing the trade. For now, we can see dollar CAD pushing higher. Silver, we were wrong here. And we are not shy about claiming that. When we are wrong, we claim it. No one can be right 100% in this business. And you should not expect that anyway. If anyone is saying to you that he is spot on every single forecast, or he have 100% win rate, run away. So, for silver, we've got this drop. We were expecting market to correct for another push up. Market went down. After this drop, we've got a corrective structure, another drop. What next? More down, correction, another drop. This is what we can see for silver at the moment. A drop before the next structure. Bigger picture for silver is very interesting. After this drop, we will update you. Bitcoin market is dropping. We've got a corrective structure. This was expected anyway because of the liquidity under these lows here. After this corrective structure, market went down. Now, market needs to talk to us. If we get a reversal sign, if we get an up wave here, a buy setup, we might take it. Otherwise, if market gains momentum, another fall will be going all the way to break this low, and this one as well. For now, we are still biased to the upside. We can still see this as part of the correction. If you are in the sell, perfect. We will be happy for you. If you are just waiting, we are waiting for the buy setup to get in. If you are still biased to the downside, you wait. Let the market fall, let it unfold, and then as soon as you get the break of this low, you look for buy setups again. For now, we are biased to the upside. Any buy setup we get, we might take it. If you have different point of view than us, it's totally fine. You go with your bias. And remember one thing, trading cryptos or stocks doesn't mean over-risking. And as per Warren Buffett, you should not put all your eggs in one basket, which means you should not over-risk. SPX, this is based on your requests guys. We are posting this one here again. We were expecting all indices to fall, and we've got this drop. From here we said guys, anytime market will push to the upside, we are not interested in it. Any push up will be temporary for this drop. We are expecting market to drop and market to fall. And this is what we have covered on last Sunday and Wednesday session as well. We are covering guys all the indices during our live sessions. Anyway, for SPX, we are expecting market to fall more. If you are in the sell, you move your stops and you manage your trades. If you want to take profits, it's up to you. For us, we can see market falling more here. And if you want to get access to our Sunday and Wednesday live sessions, subscribe to our premium analysis service. With that note, guys, you trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.